Your search for the perfect home is over with this spectacular 4-bed plus den, 3-bath, single-story executive home. This home is better than new and has been lovingly maintained. Situated on an oversized lot with no neighbors on the left side and no neighbors to the rear, inside the gated community of Oak Ridge, offering unrivaled privacy with all the conveniences of shops and dining. Side entry 3-car garage offers space for all your cars and toys. Inside, you'll find a lovely floor plan full of architectural upgrades and details, including upgraded flooring, tray ceiling in the formal dining room, diagonal ceramic tile, and so much more. The kitchen includes upgraded cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, prep island with seating, walk-in pantry, eat-in bar with pendant lighting, and adjacent casual dining area. The kitchen opens to the family room, which is filled with natural Florida sunshine through large windows. Extend your entertainment to the screened lanai and fully fenced backyard with fire pit, offering the perfect space for kids and pets. The den/office at the front of the home is perfect for telecommuting or can be converted to a 5th bedroom. The master suite is truly exceptional with split vanity, soaking tub, glass enclosed shower, separate water closet, and a luxurious closet with cabinets, shelving, and dressing area. This home is a short walk to the neighborhood park and also close to Apopka's Northwest Recreation Complex, featuring walking trails, sports fields, playground, amphitheater with special events, and so much more. Close to shopping, restaurants, and an easy drive to Disney, downtown Orlando, State Road 429, and everything that Central Florida has to offer. Call now to schedule your showing.